right, so I just read a Facebook post on somebody that's nervously waiting for a reply, and they have no idea even if the prospect has opened their proposal. So the reason why I use Clean Proposals is because if you have the right tools, you don't have to wait around and guess. You can engage proactively with your prospect. So if you click tracking here on cleanproposals.com, you'll see here that I have a signed contract, but this is another customer. I know when they open this proposal, right? Not only do I know when they open this proposal, if they would have shared this proposal with someone else, I would see the email that they shared the proposal with. A lot of times you can't get a hold of the decision maker, so you'll send the proposal to the receptionist or the facilities person that walked you through the building. And the first thing they're going to do is they're going to send it or share it with the decision maker. So the software has a built-in tool to show you who they sent that to and gives you the email. So the first thing you can do is interact with them and send them over an email. Then also the software is going to tell you when they looked at the proposal, but how long they looked at each section of the proposal. So you know how your prospect is interacting with your proposal. Another thing is, as soon as they open that proposal, I'm on the phone, right? Hey, John, this is Rossi over at such and such, and I sent you over a proposal for your review and consideration. I was wondering if you had a chance to look at it. Well, you already know the answer, right? Oh, I just opened it. I'm looking at it now. What a coincidence. This was meant to be. Let's take a look at that. Do you have any questions? Can I answer anything for you? Let's go ahead and get that signed. And the software has an e-signature feature in it, so they can sign it right there on the spot. But also you get an email. So you see right here, it says, congratulations. Congratulations, your prospect has accepted and signed your proposal. You can click on it, you can log into the software and then countersign it, and it will automatically send it back to your prospect. So you don't have to wait, you don't have to guess whether or not they've opened it. You can find out who the decision maker is, and everything can be signed and countersigned with cleanproposals.com. So take the guessing game out of this.